What's up, guys? I am at the grocery store and I saw the new Coke. So we have Coke Spiced. It says raspberry spiced Coke. Interesting. And that's the regular. Of course, I got the diets. And I dropped this on the ground on the way to my truck. All right, so this one might shoot all over the place. So yeah, just go and try these things. All right, so hang on a second. Let me put you up there for a second while I open this carefully. So I really don't want it to go everywhere. Okay, that wasn't bad. All right, so let's try this zero first. All right. You know, it smells fruity. Ooh, trying to rest you kind of on the steering wheel. It smells fruity, but it smells kind of like those mystery soda, you know, like all the Coke mystery ones. It just smells fruity. I don't know if it's specifically raspberry, but anyway, here we go. You know, it's just like those mystery flavors. It's not bad. It's fruity. If it didn't say raspberry in the front, I don't know if I would have guessed raspberry. Yeah, it's not bad. Seems kind of sweet. All right, let's try the regular one. Hang on, bear with me. All right, sometimes the regular version is better, and sometimes the diet's better. All right. Now I got the full calorie version. Here we go. Smells the same. Not as carbonated, but to be fair, I did drop the other one on the ground. Yeah, I mean, I can't specifically say that that is raspberry. So it's something fruity, strawberry-ish, maybe cherry-ish, but not straight cherry, because you know, I've had plenty of Coke cherry in my life. You know, it's not bad. It's good. This is supposed to, by the way, be a permanent flavor. Let me grab the zero sugar. Try that one again. Hang on. Yeah, it's not supposed to be a limited edition thing at all. It's supposed to be like a regular flavor they're going to have for a long time. All right, so let's try this one more time. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's if I want Coke cherry, which I don't actually ever go get, it's good. I don't mind it, but it's not something like I would want with food. If you're just in a mood for some soda or some pop, depending on where you are, yeah, it hits the spot. In the summertime, nice and cold, yeah, this would be delicious. Right now, it's kind of whatever. It's not bad by any means, but it's not extra delicious or something you have to try. So anyway, if you've had this, the new Coke Spiced, let me know your thoughts on it. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.